This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay for audio or videos on the Firefox app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Firefox app. To enable or disable autoplay for audio and video, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Now on this page that opens up, right towards the top under General, you'll see Browsing. You want to tap on Browsing. Then right down here under Media, you'll see Autoplay. By default, it's probably set to allow audio and video. You want to tap on that. And then you can choose between allow audio and video or block audio and video. If you wanted to block both audio and video, you would tap on the bottom one there. If you wanted to block just audio, you would tap on audio. And the top one is allow audio and video. That is how to enable or disable autoplay on the Firefox app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.